Hello from Taj Mahal Medics. I've got a Skoda Octavia here. It's on an 18 plate, which is this is the third generation one. I'm going to show you basically how to reset the inspection and service light. But before I do that, I've got the engine running, so I'm going to press the car button right here, and then I'll go into settings. I'll scroll down all the way. From here you can do a lot of things. You know, you can set your time, you can set the tire pressures as well. But check the service. Even though the customer had 3,000 miles left on it for the next service and 294 days, but he just went ahead and got it done. He had the inspection and the service done. But I'm going to show you how to reset both of them. It is quite a simple procedure. So if I go back, you got to all do it through here. So that's the button right there, and then that's the ignition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the car off first, and then hold this button right here. And if you look right in the center there, you'll see the information come up. So if I hold this button, switch the ignition on only, here we go, I let go of the button, hold it again, that's done for the oil reset. I switch the ignition off. To do the inspection reset now, well, you got to watch it carefully. So I hold this button, switch the ignition on, keep hold of it till I get to inspection, let go of the button and hold it again. So that's done as well now. So what I'm going to do now is just to show you exactly what I've done. So if I start the car up, go into car, go into settings, scroll down to service. Now as you can see now, the oil change service is in 9,400 miles and the inspection is in 18,700 miles. That's all you had to do. It was just basic. First time you want to do the oil reset, you get to the oil, let go of the button, press it again. That does a reset. The second time you switch the ignition on, press hold, keep hold of the button, switch the ignition on, and you'll get the oil inspection. Keep pressing the button till you get to the inspection. Once you get to the inspection, let go of the button and then press it again. That's all on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.